Hello, my English virtual tutor. My name is Jeffrey Lopez, and today I'm going to talk about how much is this item activity. Okay, let's start. This is Amazon. Amazon is a vast internet-based enterprise that sells books, music, electronics, toys, and many others items that you can buy and enjoy. Okay, let's start. This is a air fried toaster oven. How much is this item? It's 199. Okay, let's continue. This is a phone tripod with wire remote. How much is this item? It's 15.99. Okay, this is a smart security camera. How much is this smart security camera? It's 29.99. I have a smart security camera at my home. I like it. Okay, this is a true wireless earbuds Bluetooth headphones. How much is this item? It's 26.99. Okay, this is a compact mini dishwasher. How much is this item? Is 319.99. Okay, this is a smartphone Samsung Galaxy. How much is this item? Is 110.49. Let's continue. This is a HD touchscreen laptop. How much is this item? Is 184.99. Okay, these are speakers for desktop or laptop PC. How much is this item? It's 14.99. Okay, this is a blender with glass jar. How much is this item? It's 59.68. Okay, this is a smart full HD TV. How much is this item? Is 227.99. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.